Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is Brian and today we're gonna do another unboxing for a different product, and I believe we won't be needing this today. Let's get into the unboxing. It's a different kind of product today. I'm gonna use it for my future videos, so I thought let's invest in something that's worth it. And today we're gonna unbox the Polsen CS-88A DSLR video shotgun microphone. As of today, I'm recording on my DSLR with the regular DSLR microphone. I mean, no external source or anything, so I thought like maybe invest in something that's worth it. Let's see what's inside this box. It's a very straightforward box. Let me just show you all around. No plastic cellophane wrapping, by the way. And it says it's got focused recording, gain control, versatile mount for your DSLRs, and vibration and rumble free features that's gonna reduce the noise when there's like a movement on the camera. So let's find out what's inside the box. Okay, inside it says this is the product manual, as you can see. It's a very small one. Gives you all the features, what you have inside, what's included, what's not. Let's get that aside. You get a nice velvet kind of bag, and you see with the company logos that says Polsen. Pretty much useful if you're like packing up in your backpack. Okay folks, so inside we can see the microphone, the shotgun microphone, and by the feel of it, the mic part, it feels metal. It's a metal build. This part might be plastic. There's your mount for your DSLR. It goes in the hot shoe, and this is the cable. Alright, the connections in the front. This one goes inside the 3.5mm stereo microphone jack on your microphone input on the DSLR. And over here folks, we can see there's this normal mode and there's the cardioid mode. And this is the gain. It's a plus 10 decibel, 0, and a negative 10 decibel. And you have the on-off switch. And now what I've read from the website, as per the specifications, you see there is an LED light right here. This is very useful. Like sometimes we forget to switch it on, and even though we switch it on, we might forget, like, okay, did I turn it on? Maybe you recorded something but you forgot to turn on your mic. That's a really bad situation. So it's in the back, so it's readily visible from behind. And this thing stays green as long as it's recording and it's on. It'll turn red, it'll glow red once the battery is low. So far this say like battery life is pretty decent. They also provide you with a battery. It comes, let me take out the battery. Okay, you just get a very basic alkaline battery. So battery is supposed to last a long time. Not too long, of course, but yeah, it's better if you use pairs. And probably I'll be using rechargeable batteries, so that I don't run out of juice here now and then. Let's put it aside. And if you will notice, there's rubber mounts inside, so that when there are vibrations, there's no sound, like there's no dangling sound that it's gonna cause a distortion in your recording when you're doing the recording. That's the mic. Okay, with the mic comes a wind protection. This is a foam. It goes up right here. So when you put it on, it'll like drown out the external noises. Because like they say, this is like very good, it's super sensitive, it's a shotgun microphone, it's kind of focused, so in that way when you're recording, the external sounds can be muffed out with this foam cover. and they give you 4 pieces of the rubber mounts, the one that's keeping this stable, like doesn't move. It moves around on a single axis, like, but doesn't make any rumbling sound when the DSLR moves. So it's relative movement right here. It's a good feature, very useful. And I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. It's a very simple unboxing. I will be doing an in-depth review of the performance of this shotgun microphone, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and to turn on the bell notification on my channel. I'll be really glad if you would do that. Any kind of feedback is highly appreciated, negative, positive, whatever you feel. Please let me know. If you have any further questions regarding the product, you're free to ask me when I do the full in-depth review for this product. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.